Top 30 interesting GK question. 1. Current affairs and economy. Question number 1. Who is the current Finance Minister of India as of 2025? Here are the options. A. Piyush Goyal. B. Nirmala Sitharaman. C. Amit Shah. D. S. Jayashankar. Correct answer, Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman is India's finance minister, known for her leadership in economic policy and reforms. She has also served as the defense minister, becoming the first full-time woman to hold the position. Question number 2. Which scheme was launched to provide free food grains to 81.35 crore people in India? Here are the options. A. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. B. PM Anna Yojana. C. One Nation One Ration Card. D. Atmanirbhar Bharat Yojana. Correct answer, PM Anna Yojana. The Pradhan Mantri Anna Yojana is an extension of the PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, aimed at providing free food grains, 5 kilograms per person per month to over 81 crore beneficiaries under the National Food Security Act. This initiative ensures that economically vulnerable sections have access to essential food supplies, enhancing food security and reducing hunger. Question number 3. What is India's projected GDP growth for FY 2024-25 as per IMF estimates? Here are the options. A. 5.5%. B. 6.1%. C. 6.5%. D. 7.0%. Correct answer, 6.5%. India's GDP growth for the fiscal year 2024-25 is projected at 6.5%, a decrease from the 8.2% growth in 2023-24. This slowdown is attributed to factors such as high unemployment, food inflation, weak consumer spending, and global trade uncertainties. The Reserve Bank of India has responded by cutting interest rates to support growth. Question number 4. Which Indian state became the first to implement a Uniform Civil Code (UCC) in 2024? Here are the options. A. Gujarat. B. Uttarakhand. C. Assam. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand became the first Indian state to implement a Uniform Civil Code (UCC) in 2024, ensuring uniform personal laws for all citizens, regardless of religion. The UCC replaces religious-based laws on marriage, divorce, inheritance, and adoption with a common legal framework, promoting gender equality and secularism. Question number 5. Who was awarded the 2024 Bharat Ratna posthumously? Here are the options. A. Karpuri Thakur. B. Pranab Mukherjee. C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. D. Lata Mangeshkar. Correct answer, Karpuri Thakur. On January 26, 2024, the Government of India posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna to Karpuri Thakur, honoring his unwavering dedication to social justice and the upliftment of marginalized communities. This recognition coincided with his birth centenary, underscoring his enduring impact on Indian society. Topic 2. Science and Technology. Question number 6. Which Indian space mission aimed to study the Sun was launched in 2023? Here are the options. A. Mangalyaan 2. B. Aditya L1. C. Gaganyaan. D. Chandrayaan 4. Correct answer, Aditya L1. India's Aditya L1, launched on September 2, 2023, is the first Indian space mission to study the Sun. Positioned at the Lagrange point 1, L1, it observes solar activities and their impact on space weather, focusing on the corona, chromosphere, and solar emissions, enhancing understanding of solar dynamics and its effects on Earth. Question number 7. Which organization developed the LCA Tejas aircraft? Here are the options. A. DRDO. B. ISRO. C. HAL. D. BHAL. Correct answer, HAL. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, developed the Light Combat Aircraft, LCA, Tejas, India's first indigenous multi-role fighter jet. Designed for air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance, Tejas features advanced avionics, fly-by-wire controls, and composite materials. It enhances India's defense capabilities and reduces reliance on foreign aircraft imports. Question number 8. Which Indian city hosted the Indian Mobile Congress 2023? Here are the options. A. Mumbai. B. Delhi. C. Bengaluru. D. Hyderabad. Correct answer, Delhi. The Indian Mobile Congress (IMC) 2023 was held in New Delhi from October 27 to 29. Asia's largest digital technology forum showcased advancements in 5G, AI, IoT, and telecom. The event brought together industry leaders, innovators, and policymakers to discuss India's digital future and foster global collaborations in the tech ecosystem. Question number 9. Which country is collaborating with India on the Gaganyaan mission? Here are the options. A. Russia. B. USA. C. France. D. Japan. Correct answer, Russia. Russia is collaborating with India on the Gaganyaan mission, India's first human spaceflight program. Russia's space agency, Roscosmos, is training Indian astronauts and providing critical support, including a life support system and spaceflight training. This partnership strengthens bilateral space cooperation and aids India's ambitious goal of sending astronauts into space. Question number 10. India's first 3D printed post office was inaugurated in which city? Here are the options. A. Chennai. B. Delhi. C. Bengaluru. D. Pune. Correct answer, Bengaluru. India's first 3D printed post office was inaugurated in Bengaluru's Cambridge layout in August 2023. Built in just 43 days by Larsen & Toubro, it covers 1,100 square feet and cost 30% less than conventional construction. This innovative project showcases the potential of 3D printing technology in infrastructure development. Topic 3. Politics and Governance. Question number 11. Who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India, as of 2024? Here are the options. A. Rajiv Kumar. B. Sunil Arora. C. Sushil Chandra. D. Naseem Zaidi. Correct answer, Rajiv Kumar. Rajiv Kumar, a retired IAS officer of the 1984 Bihar, Jharkhand cadre, became India's 25th Chief Election Commissioner on May 15, 2022. He previously served as an election commissioner from September 2020 and chaired the Public Enterprises Selection Board. Question number 12. Which article of the Constitution was abrogated to remove Jammu and Kashmir's special status? Here are the options. A. Article 356. B. Article 370. C. Article 368. D. Article 35A. Correct answer, Article 370. Article 370 of the Indian Constitution granted special autonomy to Jammu and Kashmir. On August 5, 2019, the Indian government abrogated this article, effectively revoking the region's special status. The move led to Jammu and Kashmir being reorganized into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Question number 13. Who is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, as of 2025? Here are the options. A. Om Birla. B. M. Venkaiah Naidu. C. Sumitra Mahajan. D. Jagdeep Dhankar. Correct answer, Om Birla. Om Birla, born on November 23, 1962, in Kota, Rajasthan, is an Indian politician from the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). He has served as the Speaker of the Lok Sabha since June 19, 2019, and was re-elected for a second term on June 26, 2024. Prior to this, he represented the Kota constituency in the 16th, 17th, and 18th Lok Sabhas. Question number 14. Which constitutional body oversees interstate water disputes? Here are the options. A. Finance Commission. B. Election Commission. C. Interstate Council. D. Niti Aayog. Correct answer, Interstate Council. The Interstate Council, established under Article 263 of the Indian Constitution, is a constitutional body that resolves disputes between states and the central government. It oversees issues like interstate water disputes, ensuring cooperation and coordination between states and facilitating the resolution of conflicts related to shared resources. Question number 15. Which state conducted India's first legislative session in a paperless format? Here are the options. A. Karnataka. B. Maharashtra. C. Kerala. D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer, Kerala. Kerala made history by conducting India's first paperless legislative session in January 2024. The digital transition aimed to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and promote eco-friendliness. Lawmakers used digital devices for legislative proceedings, marking a significant step towards modernizing governance and minimizing environmental impact through technology-driven legislative processes. Topic 4. Geography and Environment. Question number 16. Which river is known as the Dakshina Ganga? Here are the options. A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Kaveri. D. Mahanadi. Correct answer, Godavari. The Godavari River, known as the Dakshina Ganga, or Ganges of the South, is India's second longest river after the Ganges. Originating from Trimbak in Maharashtra, it flows eastward across several states before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. It holds cultural, religious, and economic significance, supporting agriculture and livelihoods. Question number 17. India's first green hydrogen plant was set up in which state? Here are the options. A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Assam. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, Assam. India's first green hydrogen plant was set up in Assam by Oil India Limited, Oil, at its Jorhat pump station. Commissioned in 2022, the plant produces green hydrogen using renewable energy through electrolysis, marking a significant step toward clean energy and reducing carbon emissions in the country. Question number 18. Which Indian state has the highest forest cover? Here are the options. A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Orissa. Correct answer, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has the highest forest cover in India, spanning about 77,493 square kilometers, 25.14% of its total area. Rich in biodiversity, it includes Kanha, Bandhavgarh, and Satpura reserves. Home to tigers, leopards, and diverse flora, these forests play a crucial role in India's ecological balance and wildlife conservation. Question number 19. The Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on which river? Here are the options. A. Narmada. B. Tapi. C. Godavari. D. Krishna. Correct answer, Narmada. The Sardar Sarovar Dam, built on the Narmada River in Gujarat, India, is one of the largest dams in the world. It provides water, irrigation, and hydroelectric power to multiple states. The dam plays a crucial role in regional development and water management, benefiting millions of people. Question number 20. India's first water metro was inaugurated in which city? Here are the options. A. Kochi. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. Chennai. Correct answer, A. Kochi. India's first water metro was inaugurated in Kochi, Kerala, on April 25, 2023. This innovative transport system connects islands around Kochi using electric hybrid boats. Operated by Kochi Metro Rail Limited (KMRL), it enhances eco-friendly urban mobility, reduces travel time, and boosts connectivity for local communities and tourists. Topic 5. Sports and Culture. Question number 21. Which Indian cricketer scored the fastest T20I century in 2023? Here are the options. A. Rohit Sharma. B. Shubman Gill. C. Yashasvi Jaiswal. D. Suryakumar Yadav. Correct answer, Yashasvi Jaiswal. Yashasvi Jaiswal, the Indian cricketer, scored the fastest T20I century for India in 2023. He reached his 100 in just 48 balls against Nepal in the Asian Games. A talented left-handed opener, Jaiswal is known for his aggressive batting and had already made a mark in domestic and IPL cricket. Question number 22. Who won the 2023 Arjuna Award for Badminton? Here are the options. A. Lakshya Sen. B. P.V. Sindhu. C. Satwik Saraj Rankareddy. D. Chirag Shetty. Answer. Satwik Saraj Rankareddy. Satwik Saraj Rankareddy, an Indian badminton player, won the 2023 Arjuna Award for his outstanding achievements in doubles. Partnering with Chirag Shetty, he secured historic wins, including the 2022 Thomas Cup and the 2023 Asian Championships. His contributions have elevated Indian badminton on the global stage, making him a top-ranked doubles player. Question number 23. Which Indian state is famous for the Hornbill Festival? Here are the options. A. Assam. B. Manipur. C. Nagaland. D. Meghalaya. Correct answer, Nagaland. Nagaland's Hornbill Festival, held annually in December in Kisama, showcases the rich cultural heritage of the state's 16 tribes. Known as the Festival of Festivals, it features traditional music, dance, crafts, and cuisine. The event promotes tourism and celebrates Naga traditions, fostering unity and cultural exchange. Question number 24. Who became the first Indian to win the World Athletics Championship gold? Here are the options. A. Neeraj Chopra. B. Anju Bobby George. C. Avinash Sehgal. D. Murli Srishankar. Correct answer, Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra became the first Indian to win gold at the World Athletics Championships on August 27, 2023, in Budapest, Hungary. He secured victory in the men's javelin throw with a best attempt of 88.17 meters, further cementing his legacy as India's greatest track and field athlete. Question number 25. In which city was the 2023 Men's Cricket World Cup final held? Here are the options. A. Mumbai. B. Ahmedabad. C. Kolkata. D. Delhi. Correct answer, Ahmedabad. The 2023 Men's Cricket World Cup final was held at Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, India, on November 19, 2023. Australia defeated India by 6 wickets to win their 6th World Cup title. Travis Head's 137-run knock played a crucial role in Australia's successful chase of India's 240-run target. Topic 6. Miscellaneous. Question number 26. Which is the largest railway station in India by platform count? Here are the options. A. Howrah Junction. B. Gorakhpur Junction. C. New Delhi Railway Station. D. Chennai Central. Correct answer, Howrah Junction. Howrah Junction, located in West Bengal, India, is the country's largest railway station by platform count, with 23 platforms. Established in 1854, it serves as a major hub for Eastern and South Eastern railways. The station handles millions of passengers daily and connects major cities across India. Question number 27. Which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? Here are the options. A. Jaipur. B. Udaipur. C. Bhopal. D. Hyderabad. Correct answer, Udaipur. Udaipur, known as the City of Lakes, is a picturesque city in Rajasthan, India. Founded by Maharana Uday Singh II in 1559, it is famous for its stunning lakes, including Lake Pichola and Fateh Sagar. Udaipur boasts majestic palaces, vibrant markets, and a rich cultural heritage, attracting tourists worldwide. Question number 28. Which state launched the Ladli Lakshmi Yojana for girl children? Here are the options. A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Haryana. Correct answer, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh launched the Ladli Lakshmi Yojana in 2007 to promote the welfare of girl children. Under this scheme, financial assistance of approximately 118,000 rupees is provided in phases for education and development. A lump sum of 1 lakh rupees is given when the girl turns 21, encouraging education and empowerment. Question number 29. India's first underwater metro project is in which city? N. Here are the options. A. Chennai. B. Kolkata. C. Mumbai. D. Kochi. Correct answer, Kolkata. India's first underwater metro project, the Kolkata Metro's East-West Corridor, features a 520-meter tunnel under the Hooghly River. It connects Howrah and Kolkata, enhancing urban transit. The metro operates at a depth of 33 meters, improving connectivity and reducing travel time between the twin cities. Question number 30. The Indian Navy Day is celebrated on which date? Here are the options. A. The 15th of August. B. The 4th of December. C. The 26th of January. D. The 1st of July. Correct answer, the 4th of December. Indian Navy Day is celebrated on December 4th to commemorate the success of Operation Trident during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. The day honors the bravery and contributions of the Indian Navy in protecting the nation's maritime borders. Events include parades, demonstrations, and tributes to naval personnel. Would you like more questions or details about a particular topic? Please comment your suggestions or topic, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel.